and this is my channel, The Reclusive Crafter. Today's video is really exciting as I've been I've had the privilege of being chosen to be part of the design team for Scrimping Mummy, and as part of this I will be doing 2 projects, one in August and one in September. And I thought I would very quickly just run you through the designs that I've chosen for August. For those of you that haven't come across Scrimping Mummy before, I just printed this out for you, and I will put these links in into the video for you to have a look at. But she does absolutely beautiful designs, digital designs. She's incredibly supportive of new YouTubers. She gives an awful lot away free of charge. Her membership is really cost effective for those that like to print off their digitals and work from digitals. You can find her on YouTube at Scrimping Mummy. She's also got a Ko-fi shop and a Ko-fi community as well. She's on Facebook, and she's also got Pinterest. So if you haven't caught up with her previously, do log into her channels and have a look at her work. Like I say, she's absolutely fabulous. She's very supportive, and the community that she has is really lovely. Her followers are very supportive as well, and it's really nice just being part of her community. So like I say, this is the channel that I've chosen, and this is a lady's diary. So I'm just going to walk you through the pages. I'm probably going to be doing at least 3 videos in this particular project, possibly 4, depending on how quickly I get done. But the digitals themselves are just stunning. The colours are beautiful, and the actual designs are lovely as well. So there are a number of pages. I have printed on both sides on quite a lot of these, and this is actually part of the kit as well. I just chose to double print to save me having to worry about that later on. There's beautiful, I think these are, they're not hyacinths, what are they? I can't think what they're called. Hydrangeas, that's what they are. There's some beautiful hydrangeas, little tea and teapot, and a little flower there. And then we've got little pages here with more of the hydrangeas on this side, with a border here. Then we've got a lovely design, almost a shabby chic design, to go along with it. And the colours of, I'd say they're quite muted. They're not kind of glary, but they're kind of muted and more pastels, which is a lovely set. This is part of the collection, and I've used this particular page on the reverse of those other ones. And then we get into the journal or the diary side of it themselves, with a beautiful design of a lady writing in her journal there. And then another, I think these are probably Victorian ladies, judging by the dress. Then there's that one there, which is lovely. And plenty of space as well for journaling if you're going to be using these for journals. But there's lots of different things you can do with them. And then this is a second, I'll just show you the difference between the two. So there is that one for journaling on, and there's also that one. So one is has got the greying edge, and the one has got the white edge. So they're two quite different, but they're very much the same, if you get what I mean. So they are really nicely thought out. And then we've got some more little journaling pages here, which is a combination of the bits previously used. And the beautiful hydrangeas in their vases there as a double spread. And then we've got some background or borders. These can be cut up for backgrounds or borders. And she's been very generous with what she's given us to work with on these. And these come in 2 colours. So we've got the pink and we've got the blue, which are really lovely. And then we've got some backgrounds. We've got a darker blue, we've got a darker pink, and then we've got a paler blue, and a paler pink. And then if that wasn't enough to be giving you stuff to go on, we've also got, I think it's 6 pages of ephemera that she's given us as well as part of the digital collection. And these are all available on her Ko-fi. This is all one kit, all available on her Ko-fi site. So if you pop along, and there's little images there, little old photographs, tickets, little stamps there, and a little, almost like a miniature postcard or business card, I suppose you could say that is. Oh, and I missed one. There's a page there, and then a little bit more ephemera. So we've got the little journal pages been made into like little clusters there, and like little buttons and a flower, and that's part of the background border that she's given us there. And then we've got colour swatches here to match up things throughout the journals with other little bits and pieces going on. That's a little cute little girl there. And other little bits of ephemera there. And again, we've got more images there used as a cluster. And this one, that's the little girl again. Make these into tags or journal cards or whatever you want to do with them. And there's some lovely little envelope designs here with the little cloches for, I think they're cloches for the flowers, the little orchids. So there's that one there. And then the final page is some little butterfly clusters which can be cut out and used as well. So it really is a beautiful kit. I'm really looking forward to working with this, and if you're interested to see what I actually do with it, I'd love you to subscribe to my channel because that'll give you the notification when the video is available for the next installment on this particular kit, and then you can follow me through to see the end product. So for the time being, thank you very much for your time today. It was just a little quick brief look at the digital kit itself, and yeah, just an idea of what we're going to be doing with it. So I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Thank you for watching.